Ho ho ho! Hello, Henry! Shall I tell you a joke? Who said that? I did! What sort of ball doesn't bounce? I don't know. A snowball! Ha 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 ha! Oh me! Oh my! Wait! Charlie, I know that's you behind those trucks. Come out right now.
Well, I thought it would be a nice joke for you, Henry.
That is not funny. You should be doing your work and not joking about like a little rascal that you are.
What? You're no fun.
Wait, where's he going? Ho ho ho! Here! Henry! Oh, that does it! You are going to cause confusion and delay if you carry on like this.
Charlie?
That will teach you not to play any more tricks on me.
But Charlie can't do his work now. He's off the rails.
Well, you do them, Billy, and don't do any more jokes.
Right. Alright.
Can't believe this Charlie. He really does unfunny jokes.